someday. Oh, only heaven knows. Maybe a heart to find. Only heaven knows. Thank you for watching. All I can do is hope and pray. Hi Ray, first, thank you. Hope you hit the like. Where are you from, Ray? Ray. Them. Ray. It's different to pronounce. I don't know how to pronounce it. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Where from, Ray? Maybe hope to find ways. Only heaven will. Mahina yung kuryente lang. Power supply. The power supply is slow. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven. Thank you for watching. Oh my god. Feel cold. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa rakay po. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for the likes. Maybe it's time. Thank you for the likes. Hanging out, picking ends for the lovers who can sometimes be. Oh my god. Oh. Hi, good day. Where are you from? Me, I'm from America. No, I'm from Philippines. And you, where are you from? Hi, you are nice, girly. Thank you. Subahash Ranga. Subahash Ranga.
Mama signal, mahina.
Hina. Nagkaon ka na loto? Kumain ka na loto? United Kingdom. Thank you, good day, for joining here from United Kingdom. Thank you so much. I thought it was Japan third floor. No, I'm from Philippines. What time is it there? Time here in the Philippines, 8:27 in the evening, the night. Okay, almost, yeah, 8:27 night here. I'm Filipina from Philippines. Where from Ray? Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you so much. Philippines. Okay. Thank you so much for joining here. Salamat. Aray ko. Aray ko, aray mo. Aray mo, aray ko. Ba't nauso yan? Sino nagpauso niya?
Ikaw.
Oh. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching 6 people. Okay. Belly. Sorry, but why your kilikili looks sweetie? No, not sweetie. Not sweetie. Look. It looks sweetie. It looks sweetie. Ew. Ew. Maybe you are. No. Sorry, but now what is wrong with you, bro? You not tough, yeah. Papansin, Ray, papansin si Belly. Yung ano, nagagawa na ano para mapansin. Napansin nga, Belly. At napansin ka nga. Kapansin-pansin ba, Belly? Papampam ba? Papampam. Ganyan talaga minsan yung ano, kailangan mo papansin, gagawa ng ano, kapansin-pansin ka. Hindi lang ikaw ang nagaganyan. Hoy, nakaigit ko. Ay nako, isa ka rin. Magayon ka ate. We, Gary Barboy. Tagadiin ka man. Tagasain ka. Salamat sa nag-heart. Sino? Albay. Okay. Nice to meet you, Gary from Albay. Gary Bear Boy. Sursugon. Salamat sa nag-like. Maybe we'll never come back sometime. Six people. Thank you so much. Thank you for eating the people here. Thank you so much. Matthew, hello beautiful. I like you more than I say sorry. Thank you so much, 7 people here. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the 5 people. Gives the likes. Are you tired, love? Why you call me love? You're weird. What? Why are weird? What do you mean? Thank you for the likes. Ako pa ang weird. Use na don't don't start praying. Just it's respect to you. I was brought up with this once. How I speak to everyone. But grammar, I'm not perfectionist. I'm always understand about that. Where are you from, Matthew? As love, I just respect to you and every lady. Oh. you so much for respecting, for not only me and everyone. Thanks you, thanks to you. Thanks, Grandma. Oh, behind the door there. How? How? What? How? What the? Wild talk. Wow. Wild talk. I'm from the UK, princess. I are from the UK. Wow, that's great. Nice to meet you. How old are you? In your door, there's someone there. White t-shirt. What? But no one. No one. Have here? I didn't see. Where? I'll lock the door. Hey, Cheryl. My favorite Yonor. How are you? Is this a Yonor? Oh my god, what a yawn! Oh my god, a yawner. Sorry because just seeing someone there watching. Ah, really? Oh my god, maybe it's a ghost? Oh my. Maybe I need to review if who's watching. Uh, why are you asking? PB, huh? Why you, what do you mean, Array? What part the Philippines? Bicol. I'm from Bicol province, Philippines. Nice to see you, Cheryl. Thank you, John. Nice to see you here too. Hi, Chris to the G. Good afternoon, my friend. Night here now. Evening here now. Good evening. Good morning to you. Nice. Thank you. To be honest, means to be honest. Okay. To be, to be honest. To be honest. Brad Virgin. Hi, Brad Virgin. Thank you for the likes, guys. Love, nagkaon ko na. Sunny boy. Yup. Nagkaon na me. How is your father? Is he getting better? I hope he's getting better, but he's still coughing. He's still sleeping now, but I'm hoping he sleep well now this night. He sleep. I hope he sleep well tonight. Yeah, yeah. What the hell is wrong with your son? Are you 5 year old or something? Why? Thank you, Quest to the G. I felt worried about my family, most my parents and my son, my siblings. Thank you for watching, 11 people. Thank you so much. How old is your son? 9 years old. He's 9 years old, my son. Thank you so much. Oh, young. Yes, he's still young. Thank you for to do someone who's sending the heart. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Oh, young. Oh, young. It's alright. You're so welcome. Thank you, John. Chris to the G. What's with the dog over there? Are these stray dogs or what? Stray dogs or what? Stray dog. Street. Yeah, they're street dogs. It's raining tacos. You're so weird, Ray. Maybe you're still too young. Tomorrow we have a Zumba. Dance Zumba. Dance Zumba. Do you have Black Friday over there? Black Friday. What it means? Does your son play Roblox? Yeah, he play Roblox. My son. My phone have a Roblox. He play it. Man, so, the it's an annual sales day in the end of November. Ah, okay. Yeah, have a sale here, but that's why many people going to the market because this someone said they're going there. The sale at the supermarket at 29 and 30. Ah, that's why the Black Friday. Ah, okay. Now I know. Maybe I'm not shopping at that. That's why. Because for the having a money, they know that. But me, I'm always buy just food, uh, things here at home. I'm always like that. Nothing about. I don't know what is about that. Black Friday. Hey, my love. Hey, Joey. Why you call me love? Thank you for the 11 people. Will you do the Zumba live? Yeah, I will do tomorrow the Zumba live. Hi. I do tomorrow Zumba live. Hope you join. What time? 6 at 6:30 in the morning tomorrow here. It's so I hope I can make it. Yeah, you can make it. Matthew, sorry, my mom come home from hospital. Okay, not no worries. Sa nagkaon ka nagab? Ha?
Ganun na.
Ha?
O ganina.
Niya na gabi? Nung suda mo? Ha?
Ang kaya yung luto mo.
Nano ito? An?
Anong luto mo pag
Oo nga, nano na luto ko? Ha? Huy. Huy, hindi ka istorya ka na luto ko.
ito na ano, sabaw.
Di man, sa wala man sa bawan din luto ko.
Ito na ano, ito na.
Ana rin. Ah? Masimbag ka dire. Nano ang itsura? Nagkaon ka niyan o dire? Ha?
Ganyan na rin sa bubagat karne.
Pura man ako pag ano sa sabaw.
Ano daw dito sa mangko.
Di naman ko.
Sa may kanira.
Pura man yun, ito. Ang kanina pa da to. Iba man ang luluto ko. Ano, adobo yan to. Paka dito, magkakaon ka dito. Adobo ako dito na luluto. Di ka nag-ano na. Sabay ka na. We have 6 hours difference. So here, it will be 6:30 in the evening. Oh my god, yeah. Sorry, maybe you can't join because almost it's a midnight for you. At 12:52 coming p.m. Okay, so it's 7 o'clock over there. Okay. Mommy, oh my god. What part? I think she's I think he's young. Ray, why you texting me for? Bad guy. I think he's too young. That's why I need to. No, ano yan. Ignore them. Yeah, maybe he's too young. That's young kid. Sorry. Okay, here. That's young. Yeah, he's young. He's too young, I think. Just I did not understand when he said, yeah, me too. I don't understand. That's why I need to remove him to avoid any, I think he's young. He's young. I noticed about his previous comment here. You can block them the same. Yeah, I blocked them. I already blocked them because it's not good for kids. Some kids they're using their parents' phone to. I thought maybe they think their parents allow them to using phone just to play, but some they using YouTube to just watch. Sometimes they watch the lives, so that's why many kids join here. So many kids block. So maybe their parents no, they didn't know what they're doing. Do you have any dreams for the future? I have a lot of dreams in the future. I want to live a quiet place like a farm. Yes, it's not my dream. I build my own homes, having a car. I traveled, or maybe not even not car, just a motor bike, and having buy good phone to make good vlog to good views, to good video. I'd be lost without my phone as YouTube films. Okay, why? What happened? Hello, too nice. Have you passed your driving license? No, I have no driving license. And I didn't know how to drive yet. That's why I dream about it because I want to try. I want to travel somewhere. Have you? Yeah. One of my one of my team chemistry. I've not passed mine. I can drive but need pass my theory test. Huh? I find driving too stressful. I only can imagine how worse it could be there. Ah, really? I think me here, we love travel here. We love driving here. I mean, road safety wise. Ah, okay. Yeah. Matthew, when I was in Davao City, my girlfriend that get a bike, a side cart bike. I was just doing everything wrong on that bike. Okay. How common are road accidents in your area? Common. How how common are roads? I think the common are road. No signboard, no sign, and like the turn, like the like something like turn, need to turn something. The common are road accident. Something like the carb, something like. Bakit ang laki ng kamay ko? Ang laki! Ang laki. Ang laki na. Ang laki talaga ho. Ang iba maliit lang. Ako malaki. My hand is big. I don't understand. Look my hand. So big. Mahaba. It's long. It's a long hand. Happening to happen. Okay. Yeah. That's why I need to be careful while driving. Bone hands, mine are like this too. Ah, bone, yeah, bone hands. Yeah, no, the veins, bone hand. Strong lady works hard. I think. How should that he getting better? I hope he getting better now. He's sleeping. I hope he feels. I hope he feel. He sleep well tonight. I'm hoping. I've seen in your video you do laundry by hand. That must be very hard, isn't it? Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's so very hard, very tiring to do laundry. The pants, the bed sheets. It's so very tiring. Like the force, you need to force like this. Very tiring. I tell him to rest off his feet to get it better faster. Yeah. Thank you, Matthew. It's very tiring here doing laundry. It's tiring. Very tiring every day. what do you, what do you use soup? Bar and powder soup. Powder soup and bar soup. How many kids you have, Cheryl? One. One kid. It's a boy. Okay, that's nice. I have one daughter, 25 now. Huh? Wow. How old are you, Matthew? Oh my god. How old are you now? Do you ever have some quiet time for yourself? It's always too noisy. Yeah, it's so noisy here. That's why sometimes I'm going to quiet place like nature, something like this. Because every day, oh my god, too loud. From morning to night, too noisy. I'm 42. Are you you early to having a kid? Oh my god, 42, you are 16, 15? I six, yeah, you're a hero. Yeah, a hero. I started young, 16 coming 17 when she was born. Oh, it's why too young? Oh my god, it's too young. You sir, year 2000. Ah, okay. Year 2000, okay, 2000. I first started high school, second year high school. Second year. Second year, second year, yeah, second year high school 2000. My mom told me after to keep it in my plant. Um, sorry, that's her words to me. Ah, okay. Matthew, where are you from? I think Matthew is from USA. I think maybe. United Kingdom. Oh, sorry. Ah, from United Kingdom. Oh, think Great Britain. I'm I'm wish not English. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. Oh, what the hell is happening over there lately, dude? It is true what we see on the socials. Yeah, I'm from Wales. Ah, okay, you're from Wales. Mm. Gab, magkano ka na lang ha? Gab, kumani ka na lang. Pagkatapos mo na. Pagkatapos mo na. Ah. I sleep early now because I wake up early to do something. News all it's all mad over here right now, friend. Ah, why? What's happening? Where are you from, Chris? Chris from Greece. Chris is from Greece country. I see. Well, we're not any better hearing this right now. Okay. Oh my god, I have a no, sunburn when I fried something. Fried fish. Just our country is going downhill as some white be fighting on our own land. Oh my god. I feel sad about that. Hope you win to fight your own land. Oh, it's so bad. Too bad. Too sad. Too much immigrants, illegals and legal ones. Yeah, same here. Having also a problem in our country. Oh my God, it's no one perfect country. No one perfect country. To the whole world has gone nuts. Oh my God. Thank you for joining. Yes, but it's too many countries coming over in millions. Yeah. What do you mean by coming over? Good. Right. One in a million. Chris? Yes, the world is going crazy. I'm glad I'm in Wales as we Welsh people fight with the English. Yes, good for you, Chris to the J. Yes. 7 likes, thanks so much. And CB, 9 people. Very beautiful lady. Hello, thank you for watching. Oh, oh. I'm going to sleep now to because I need to wake up early. Bye bye. See you next live. Love you all. Bye bye. You're tired. Love you. You need to rest. Thank you. Have beautiful dreams. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Tim. Hello there. How are you? Call me. Bye bye. Love you all.